Hi friends, my name is Muhammad Faris. I am studying in 7th standard AUPS Tambrakulam. I am telling for a moral story. Let's go to the video. The story name is Time is Valuable. Arjun is a very lazy boy. He was to always postpone things. One day his father called him and made him understand the valuable of time. That you should never waste time. Arjun promised his father that he would never postpone things. One day he came to know that he had won the first prize in a singing competition held in school. Arjun was asked the collect prize on the same day. As usual, Arjun bent care and collect the prize in the next day. But now the prize was useless and it was ticket to a circus that was held on the previous day. And now Arjun learned to a lesson in this incident. Moral: time is very valuable. You should always do things on time. Thank you. Do you like the video? Press like button, share button and subscribe button. Bye bye.